Hello guys. So today we are going to talk about how to make a lot of money on Fiverr. Okay. So Fiverr is a good website, and Fiverr has a lot of business with it. So let's see how we can make a lot of money through Fiverr. Okay. So today we are going to see some niches which has really good earning on Fiverr, right? So I will say website design. Yes, website design. So as you can see, this guy over here, okay, he's an you know a very big freelancer over here, and has earned some good amount, right? So he has earned around Arij Khan, okay, his name is, and he has 6 orders in queue, right? And even if we consider his base price, which is just like $125, and for the most, okay, and it's like 750 dollars. That's like really well, right? $750 on a WordPress website, and he has 6 orders with it, and he has a good portfolio over here, right? He shows his portfolio as well, and unlimited revisions is what he gives, and he has earned quite a lot of money, guys. Like he has earned around $720. uh, this is a quite an impressive profile, right? So this is how you can. Okay, we'll see one more freelancer over here. He is Wix Guru. So he has around 27 orders in queue, guys. Now that is something really amazing, right? $27, 27 orders, and his base is 145. So you can, convert that 115 to 27. That's a lot of money he's earning right now, and he is not outreaching anybody or doing anywhere else. Okay, so that's a really good achievement for this guy in particular. Okay, so yeah, thank you. Bye bye.